Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start on accounts. Google.com. Once there, click Create Account and pick for myself or to manage my business. Enter your legal first and last name so Google recognizes you, then set a memorable username. That becomes your new @gmail.com address. Next, create a strong password using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Make sure it's unique versus other sites. Keep a phone number or recovery email nearby, because Google will prompt you to verify that contact early in the setup. Once you submit the basic info, Google will ask to verify your phone. Enter the SMS code immediately to continue. After verification, fill in recovery options like a secondary email and your birth date. These help restore access if you lose the password. Choose a gender option or prefer not to say. It won't affect account functionality. Make a note to turn on two-step verification after setup for stronger protection. This adds a second confirmation step whenever you sign in from new devices. Finish by reviewing Google's terms and privacy settings, then accept to create your account. You can later adjust privacy controls under My Account. Add a profile photo and choose whether to sync contacts, calendars, and Chrome data across devices for convenience. Grant app permissions as needed. If the process fails, try 3 quick fixes. Resend the SMS, use your recovery email for verification, or open the sign-up page in an incognito window to bypass cached errors. This usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.